How to make everything learn. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity and eagerness to learn. Ask questions, seek out new information, and explore topics that interest you. Define clear learning objectives and goals for yourself. This helps provide direction and motivation for your learning journey. Incorporate a variety of learning methods and resources into your routine, such as reading books, watching educational videos, attending workshops, or engaging in hands-on activities. Actively engage with the material you're learning by taking notes, summarizing key points, teaching others, or applying concepts in real-life scenarios. Solicit feedback from peers, mentors, or instructors to gain insights into your learning progress and areas for improvement. View failure as a natural part of the learning process and an opportunity for growth. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your approach, and persevere in the face of challenges. Maintain an organized study space and schedule to optimize your learning environment and minimize distractions. Take time to reflect on what you've learned and how it relates to your goals. Reviewing and reinforcing key concepts helps solidify your understanding. Remain open to new ideas, perspectives, and feedback. Embrace diversity of thought and actively seek out viewpoints different from your own. Incorporate learning into your daily routine by allocating dedicated time for study, exploration, or skill development. Consistency is key to long-term learning success. Make learning a regular habit and commit to continuous improvement over time. Find intrinsic motivation by connecting your learning goals to your passions, interests, and values. Celebrate your progress and milestones along the way. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.